Natakot ako. Gumagalaw eh. Wala, nakakatakot yung pababa. Ba't gumalaw ba ako? Yung bubong may plants?
Okay, so hello and welcome. We're on our way to the cable car here in Singapore. You just go to the red line and go to the harbor center. You reach it here. There are a lot of arrows going to the cable car. We're going to the tower 2 of cable car here at our harbor center. See that raining tower of cable car? There are three stations of cable car: Mount Faber, Harbor Front Towers, and Sentosa. We were supposed to go to the luge, but it's raining, so probably will not be able to do the luge today. Too bad.
Hello!
Harbor Front Center is the station between Mount Faber and Sentosa. We'll be going there upstairs. When you buy your tickets on the clock, you just scan it on the scanner upstairs. This is the lift for the Mount Faber ticketing area. And we're going to Sentosa. We go that way. Lift to Sentosa. You ready?
Born ready.
15. The lift is open. It's raining very hard now in Singapore. Good thing yesterday was a good weather for us. We enjoyed the Universal Studio Singapore. When we arrived, it was a little downpour of rain, but now it's heavy. You'll not see a lot of views. Maybe they say it's the panoramic view of all Singapore when using the cable car. Cable car here is. You need to scan your ticket here. Welcome to the wet cable car.
Hi, ma'am. Enjoy ka ba? Ganda.
Welcome aboard the Mount Faber Cable Car line. We are now en route to Sentosa Station.
Kasi nakabukas lang.
As we leave Harbourfront Station, we'll water park with its many water slides.
Universal.
Taas eh?
Look ahead to
Oh,
the
ganda yung dolphin.
Can you spot another cable car line? Sentosa Cable Car line.
Are you afraid of heights?
Directly to Siloso Point, southern beachfront. Connection to the Sentosa Cable Car line.
Wow! Yung sea aquarium.
Offering traditional local dishes.
Shark encounter.
Or ticket encounter.
Sky Helix is temporarily closed for today because of the bad weather conditions. We'll try if we can go to the Sentosa line cable car for the Imbia lookout. Sad girl. Also the luge. Skyline luge Sentosa is also closed for today. Too bad. We'll not be able to experience it.
Wala, nakakatakot yung pababa. Kuya, ang gano'n.
Ano yung view na yun? Ang ganda.
Oh my God, may pababa! Natatakot ako.
Huwag kang gumalaw.
Oo.
Ba't gumalaw ba ako?
Gumalaw ka.
Ikaw yung gumagalaw eh.
Hindi ako gumalaw yan. Sabi yung bawal magalaw, laro-laro. Ala, ala, ala,
Wala yan. Hindi pa bababutang ina.
Di ba, pero nakakatakot. Tapos nilila lang yung way.
Kaya meaning yacht. Welcome to
Sa
the
Chinatown na lang daw
Siloso.
niya tayo see.
Raining today, nothing to do here in Siloso Point. If we have time, we can go to the beach. If you have time, you can go to the beach and swim. They say it's Dolomite sand.
Dolomite.
Just like in Manila Bay, Pilipinas.
Ganda.
Rainy Sunday, Singapore.
Beach, no? Kahit na ako yan.
Correct, good.
Luge. Sky Helix. Luge.
Ay, sayang. Sky Helix.
Yung luge ang pinakamasaya dito.
Oo. Yun nga din sabi
Yan.
ng ate ko, yung pinakamasaya daw talaga yun.
You have ano,
Wow.
go-kart.
Ang saya.
Masaya. Naiyak. Sana bukas makahabol pa tayo.
We're here at Madame Tussauds.
Ay, ang galing. Parang
47.
wala kang ano.
Universal Studios still open.
Ah, yung bubong may plants? Talaga may plants, biglo. Uy, pambahay ng mga ibon.
That is our cable car experience. We're here now at Imbia Station, going back to the Vivo City. Imbia Station is where the cable car is connected from Siloso Point.